Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix feed. Is your Instagram feed showing boring, repeated or unwanted posts? Here's how to fix your feed and see contents you like. First, open your Instagram app. After that, refresh your feed. Go to your home feed. Pull down the refresh. If posts aren't loading, this is the fastest fix. First, open your setting, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are using good Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off. Instagram shows posts based on what you like comment and the save post you enjoy. Unfollow account you no longer interested in, more engaged with better feed. Seeing post you don't like, tap on the three dot, then choose not interested. Instagram will stop showing similar posts. On Android, you can also clear cache. For that, go to the setting, tap on app, then go to Instagram, then tap on storage and click on clear cache. In iPhone, you have to delete your Instagram, then reinstall it from the App Store. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.